luxury living doesn't always mean that we have to spend sky high prices. A 4-bedroom measuring 200 square yard in Dwarka would easily cost you around 2.5 to 3 CR. It would burn a major hole in your pocket. However, just 5 minutes away in Dwarka mode, these prices for a 200 square yard ultra luxury 4-bedroom 4-bath is just half the price. Now, I'm standing in this huge facade of a 4-bedroom 3-bath located in the affordable luxury of Dwarka mode. Same connectivity, same lifestyle, but a major upgrade. At paying half the price, you can enjoy the same amenities and that luxury lifestyle in Dwarka mode. Why pay more? Why spend way more for something that we can get at half the price? I'm going to go ahead and take you on this journey of this beautiful 4-bedroom, 3-bath, both side independent apartment in Dwarka mode. So now we have entered in the living area of this beautiful 4-bedroom apartment in Dwarka mode. Before I start the video, मैं इस दरवाजे की खूबसूरती पे and इसी cleanliness पे आपका ध्यान लेके आना चाहूँगा. So this is a computerized lock, a very good lock with dumb lock at the back. Major security upgrade क्योंकि आज की डेट में many clients want steel का दरवाज़ा. I think with this kind of lock fixture, you do not need a steel ka darwaza because it just, mellows down the entry. So this is the main door. As soon as you enter through the main door, we are stepping into the living area. So this is your TV panel. As soon as you enter, the door opens in northeast direction. तो ये जो plot की facing है, वो north रहने वाली है. जैसे ही आप northeast entry लेते हो, आपको मार्बल का काम दिख रहा होगा नीचे. इंस्टेड ऑफ यूजिंग टाइल इन दिस यूनिट वी हैव मेड श्योर दैट वी हैव यूज्ड इटालियन मार्बल. सतवारी रंग में बेज कलर में दिस इज द मार्बल दैट वी हैव इंस्टॉल्ड. इट लुक्स वेरी गुड एंड इंस्टेड ऑफ हैविंग टाइल्स बिकॉज दिस इज अ लग्जरी 200 स्क्वायर यार्ड स्पेस वी हैव हाईलाइटेड इट विद इटालियन मार्बल. Moving on to the fall ceiling. The fall ceiling is completely a different entity this time. हमने woodwork के साथ इसमें magnetic lights use की हैं. So very less of traditional lights, very small focus lights like these, and then we have used magnetic lights to highlight the space around. So something which is very carefully played with. Moving on, this is your living area. That's how it starts with. पूरा woodwork along with fiber sheets. This is a beautiful concept and you can have your air conditioner right here. This paneling highlights the living area, highlights the space around the home. You get similar spaces with arches right here in the TV panel face, right here. तो आपका सोफा यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. You can easily have a sofa set of around 10 to 12 seats. 2 puffy seats right here, a 6-seater right here and a 3-seater right here. So beautiful space. 200 square yard में बहुत अच्छा living का space निकल के आता है and that's what has been done in this apartment. Now east facing रहने वाला है आपका मंदिर. So मंदिर space you can see the woodwork. Now I just want to highlight the fact कि इस बार हमने इसमें कोई भी laminate का काम नहीं किया है. You see this is PU polish that we have done. This costs around 850 rupees per square feet. That has been done on this entire panel right here. Lot of storage. यहाँ पे आप अपना dining table भी लगा सकते हैं. If you want to have a compact 6-seater or 4-seater, I would rather prefer a 4-seater right here. If you have a family of 5 and 6, beautiful space and then you have enough space to store your crockery. Enough space. And you can see the work has been done very efficiently, very clean. All the drawers that you are seeing are manufactured by a company called Colt. So the longevity of the woodwork is something that's going to go on for the next 15 to 20 years. and this is gonna be your complete living section. Moving on, we're gonna walk towards the kitchen now. So this is the kitchen space. It's right there in the east facing, which is Vastu compliant. So Vastu is something which is very, very important these days. So we have a team of interior designers who have done Vastu on this home. तो वास्तु कंप्लाइंट प्रॉपर्टी रहने वाली है. यहाँ पे आपको मिल जाती है एक कॉन्क्रीट ब्रेकफास्ट टेबल. सो यू कैन हैव अ कपल ऑफ कुशन सीट्स हियर, and while your mother or your helper is cooking for you, you can just dine right here. Moving on, this is your kitchen. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं, we have made sure that there is a combination of white and black stone. The entire stone that you're seeing is called nano. The same stone has been used on the outer wall as well as on the slab. Longevity ये 25 साल तक कहीं नहीं जाने वाली. It is very, very, very good and it will not go anywhere. You get a pure griller space right here, और ये रहने वाला है आपका OTG space. As I focused on the cleanliness of the work that is done, तो पूरी kitchen fully modular setup के साथ आपको मिलने वाली है. So there's a lot of storage, and you get a lot of space right here. Now this is gonna be your cleaning area. आपको दो साइड का वॉश बेसिन मिलता है, एंड यहाँ पे है आपका माइक्रोवेव, यहाँ पे है आपका आरओ सेटअप. सो आपका आरओ यहाँ आ जाएगा. इफ यू वांट एन अंडरग्राउंड आरओ, यू कैन ऑल्सो हैव एन अंडरग्राउंड आरओ विच इज यूजुअली देयर, और उसका आउटर यहीं से आ जाएगा और आप यहीं से अपना पानी भर सकते हैं. Talking about the kitchen has also got complete PU work. We have not used any laminates in the entire home. Whatever you are seeing is completely made of PU polish. बहुत सुंदर, बहुत luxury ये kitchen है, and the segment of this kitchen is called island kitchen. So this concept of white and black. So this is your island kitchen, and now we're gonna go ahead and move on to the bedrooms. And now we are entering into the master bedroom number 1. Beautiful flush doors. ये दरवाजे रहने वाले हैं 8 फीट के, और इनके साथ आपको मिलती है गोल्ड प्लेटेड फिटिंग्स. So very good section of interiors has been done. The color white and color grey and beige have been chosen. So this is bedroom number 1. Complete marble flooring, Italian of course. You get this beautiful false ceiling, wooden, as well as a beautiful fan, and you get a lot of storage space right here. ये पूरा काम आप जो देख रहे हैं सारा PU polish का है. It is very exclusive and it is very premium. This is gonna be your TV panel. Massive facade of a TV panel. You can easily have 65 to 75 feet TV easy here. I'm sorry, 65 से 75 इंची का टीवी आपका आराम से लग जाएगा. You get enough storage right here, and you get this beautiful balcony view, and you get this bed back. ये सारा काम हो रखा है. आपका बेड यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. This is gonna be your bed back. That is gonna be your TV panel, and this plot is north facing. Moving on, we're gonna go ahead and check out the powder room with this master bedroom. And this is your massive powder room. Enough storage, and the best part, wet area रहने वाला है बिल्कुल बैक में. यहाँ पे आपका आ जाएगा ग्लास पार्टीशन, एंड सबसे अच्छी बात वेंटिलेशन की कोई कमी नहीं है. दिस इज इन द फ्रंट रूम राइट हेयर. हाईलाइटेड टाइल्स के साथ वी हैव हाईलाइटेड दिस सेक्शन. All the fittings throughout the apartment are Jaguar. You will get bills of every product that we have installed in this home. This is gonna be your mirror section. Huge mirror right here. ये आपका 5.5 फुट का मिरर रहने वाला है, and you get enough storage spaces, and you get a countertop. So nothing has been compromised. And if I talk about the flooring, this is non-skid marble right here in the flooring, so that आप कल को slip होके अपने घर में गिरे ना. Again, the same doors with the same fittings have been installed right here. So even though if it's a powder room or if it's a bathroom, there has been no compromise in the work. Moving on, we're gonna move ahead to bedroom number 2. So this is your bedroom number 2 right here. You get an attached washroom with beautiful tile work done right here at the top, and at the same time you get tile work done here as well. This is a kind of a restaurant vibe. जो ये आप जिस तरीके का आप ये काम देख रहे हैं यूजुअली खान मार्केट के रेस्टोरेंट्स में होता है, बट वी हैव गिवन दिस अ शॉट एंड आई होप जब आप इस बाथरूम में आए और ये देखें तो you get that exclusive feel, you get that feel of luxury, that feel of indulgence. This is gonna be your mirror section right here. Again, the mirror size has nothing to be compromised about. You get these Jaguar fittings and you get this wash basin, and यहाँ पे आ जाएगा आपका सारा dry area. Again, non-skid tiles at the flooring so that you don't fall over. Moving on, this is again bedroom number 2, but it is also a master bedroom because it has access to the balcony as well. So both the bedrooms have the access to the balcony. यहाँ पे आपको मिल जाती है ग्लास प्रोफाइल डोर में बहुत मैसिव वार्डरोब, एंड टू एंड कंप्लीट स्टोरेज के साथ. इट इज डेफिनेटली अ मास्टर बेडरूम इन माई आईज. इनफ स्टोरेज स्पेस, यहाँ पे आपको मिल जाता है शू स्पेस, एंड यू गेट दिस ब्यूटिफुल बेड बैग. नाउ दिस इज योर बेड बैग. ये सारा काम जो आप देख रहे हैं, दिस इज कॉल्ड CNC कटिंग. सो दिस टेक्सचर इज कट थ्रू अ मशीन और उसके ऊपर हम इस पे पेंट करते हैं. वेरी एक्सक्लूसिव, समथिंग विच इज वेरी एक्सपेंसिव. बहुत महंगा काम है ये. एंड यू गेट दिस अमेजिंग बेड बैग राइट हेयर पैनलिंग के साथ, एंड आपको मिल जाता है साथ में मिरर का काम. You get enough space to have a storage here. Natural ventilation, which is something very important. You have this in this room right here. This is gonna be your TV panel. The same contrast of the bed back has been taken in consideration and it has been placed on this particular TV panel. Enough space, you get an AC mount right here and you get all this beautiful storage. Now this is your bedroom number 2. We're going to go ahead and we're going to move on to bedroom number 3 and bedroom number 4. I hope if you like our work and you love the interior that we do, please make sure that you like, subscribe, and even make some comments of how we can better our product. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and see you in bedroom number 3 and 4 now. How does it feel? That combination of white, gold and hazel, it just looks amazing. So this is our bedroom number 3. मेरे को लगता है सारे रूम्स इतने अच्छे हैं कि कोई भी रूम्स ले सकता है. सो दिस इज योर बेडरूम नंबर 3. यू गेट दिस ब्यूटिफुल ग्लास वर्क राइट हेयर. दिस इज द बेड वॉल कंप्लीटली. सारा लूअर्स के काम के साथ आपको मिल जाता है ये बेड बैग राइट हेयर. दिस इज हाउ यू गोना स्लीप ऑन. अगेन इनफ स्टोरेज स्पेसेस इन एवरी रूम. इनफ स्टोरेज. इटालियन मार्बल के साथ यू गेट दिस ग्रैंड टीवी पैनल राइट हेयर. 75 इंची टीवी आराम से लग सकता है, एंड यू गेट इनफ स्टोरेज एट द बैक एज वेल राइट हेयर एट द बॉटम. एक बार फॉल सीलिंग पे अगर बात करूं, सो नो, I don't know how to define this, but I always love this fall ceiling because it is so minimalistic and it gives that earthy feel as soon as you enter your room. It feels cozy, it feels warm. Now here's an attached powder room right here. Jaguar fittings के साथ end to end tile. आप एक चीज ध्यान दी होगी, कोई भी काम repetitive नहीं है. Everything has been done very precisely. So this is your bathroom number 3 with non-skid tiles at the bottom with Jaguar fittings. This is your wet area. This is your dry area. So this is bedroom number 3. Now along with this ventilation के लिए आपके पास है ये washing area which is connected. Now right now it is 5:30 in the evening. 5:30 बज रहे हैं और मैं यहाँ पे खड़ा हुआ हूँ, और फिर भी I can feel that there is light coming because this plot is both side open. You get ventilation in all the 4 rooms. Now right here we're gonna move to bedroom number 4. So this is your bedroom number 4 and you can see right away. Enough storage. I mean the room is the size of around 16 into 14. 16 by 14 का कमरे रहने वाला है, और ये है आपकी बेड बैग. मैसिव. अपना 7 by 7 का भी बेड लगाओगे वो भी छोटा पड़ जाएगा. Enough storage right here. This is a great bachelor room. If you have someone in your family, कोई अगर आपका बेटा है जो 20-21 साल का है, 22 साल का है, this room can be a great bachelor pad. Amazing storage, you get this amazing bed bag. एक बार फॉल सीलिंग भी, अमेजिंग फॉल सीलिंग, अर्दी फिनिश के साथ, मिनिमलिस्ट डिजाइन के साथ, you get this amazing TV panel again. So this is 4 bed, 4 bath, amazing space. Right here you can see पूरा woodwork के साथ you get end-to-end TV panel. So no compromise has been done in terms of quality or quantity. Even the powder room is so beautiful right here. You can feel that everything has been posh, everything has been done very well. ये 32x64 की टाइल लगाई हुई है हमने राइट हैंड साइड पे. कैमरामैन जी ये दिखाइए एक बार. सो दिस इज नॉट 2x4 का स्टोन विच वी हैव टाइल हमने लगाई है, ये 32x64 की टाइल है. ये लगानी बहुत मुश्किल है, पर इसके साथ जो वॉशरूम की लुक आती है वो बिल्कुल एक्सक्विजिट है. सो दिस इज समथिंग विच हैज़ बीन डन वेरी प्रिसाइजली, and a lot of people have spent their hard blood, respect, sweat, making sure that you can get this beautiful 4-bedroom, 4-bath, half the price in Dwarka. So if you have been searching in a budget of around 1.6 CR and you have not been able to find anything good in Dwarka, I can tell you, in that budget you can have great options in Dwarka mode. Just 5 minutes away. Major upgrade in lifestyle and major upgrade in your passion. You finally have a good 4-bedroom to take care of your family, your guests who come to your home, to spend time, and you have so much space, such an amazing kitchen, such an amazing living space that you can hold a party of 50 people in this home. So I think your quest searching for a luxury home in New Delhi ends today. Please make sure that you contact Akai Buildtech and we can make sure that this home can be yours.